Hello guys, today I am going to do another analysis for first day of the week on Monday. This is 18 April. So yesterday on Sunday I have posted the Bitcoin price analysis intraday trader. If you are intraday traders who like scalp on daily basis, like you make some percent, some profit. So I have posted this one yesterday, and I discovered that we have created mid-range here and put out some tactics, put out some strategies if it break up or down and what you should do yesterday. And yeah, the result today, it just follow. Okay, here you will see from the charts here, this is 1 hour chart, and the price go down. Yeah, follow this A scenario, and it's broke down here from this analysis. So you could make 2.2%, but in this case, if some of you hold the shorts down here right now, it could be 5%, not bad, right? So yeah, congratulations for you who has follows this. And yeah, I will share more information on Patreon. You can follow me here, you can support me here on patreon.com/Tuniverse. So in the Patreon page you can see more details of analysis, and I will go deeper into intraday, 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart, or something like that. So yeah, so congratulations for you guys on this. Okay, now we going to look at the bigger picture, and we will see what we have here. Let me close this. Okay, turn back to, yeah, usually we focus on the bigger time frame because in a smaller time frame it will be harder for you to trade if some of you are not experienced trader, or if you are not day trader full time. It's gonna be harder. So I don't want you guys who study how I trade or my analysis on this video, and I don't want you guys to take more risk in any shape or form. Okay, I will focus on the bigger time frame because we try to cut the noises so you can focus on a bigger picture. Okay, let's get started. We start from weekly time frame, and like I always said, in weekly time frame, when we look here, when we look at the weekly, we are not see that downtrend or uptrend yet. Right here, what I call it downtrend, what I call it uptrend. When I call it downtrend is this, when the price is continue to going lower, lower, and lower, and lower here. I call it downtrend. You can call it bear market or corrective waves if you are the Elliott wave trader on the chart. And when I call it uptrend for me in weekly chart, it should look like this: 1 week up, 1 week up, 1 week up, few week down, and then 1 to 3 week down, and then 2 weeks up, 3, 4, 5 weeks up. I will call this uptrend. Okay. In this video, we trade Bitcoin. We have to like synchronize some words, some vocabulary that I use. So when I talk about uptrend, you can have same picture like me. Okay, uptrend, when we talk about uptrend, here last time it was 29,300 until 69,200. It was 135%, right? That is my uptrend. And this is why I will not call this chart is uptrend or downtrend yet, because for somehow, if you are trader, or if you want to be trader, you want to earn more Bitcoin, you want to trade Bitcoin, you have to have a system, right? You have to have a system that what and when or how you call that situation uptrend or downtrend or sideways, right? For me, I call this sideways on weekly chart, right? But I will not call this downtrend yet, and also this is not uptrend yet, but to me it look more like a downtrend. Okay, why? Okay, let's zoom in and we will see. We zoom into the weekly chart. Here it's all down candle all the way down, and then at this point of time, when you see here, then it stopped. This week it stopped. This week in February it stopped, and then we see this go up here, right? It can be like this. We never know, okay, until we zoom into daily chart. When we zoom into daily chart, we see more information, right? And then this is my supports and resistance area that I made earlier. I made it since here, and when the price is go out, so you can see more, you can have the clearer information. Okay, sorry for my voice today. I have a little bit of cold. I got sick yesterday, runny nose and things. Okay, have to drink water all the time. Okay, let me zoom in here, and okay, this, you see this line, the small line here, this is a tiny mid-range zone that I drew it yesterday because of the price. It could not break for 3 candle. Here you can see, zoom in, 1, 2, 3 candle here. Price cannot break up after it made tight and tighter and tighter, and somehow we see the price drop. So I post on my Patreon that if you see the price weaker, you can short them and you can make some profit. Yeah, and yeah, congratulations for that you guys make profit. And then what next? This is my first analysis of the day, so we work on this together. I didn't look at the chart before. Let's see. Okay, what we know now is price on daily chart now, it failed to break this level. It failed to break this level. Okay, and it trying to break this support zone. It's trying to break this support zone, but for now it also failed to break because it wicked down here and it rose back up on the daily chart. So it's not successful yet for bear that's gonna show their strength, that they're gonna break down here. I think now bear try to break this level down, but we have to keep our eye closer on this. If the bear can break this support or not, right? Now we are in the middle of support area. I call it support zone, right? It's not break yet, it's not pull back yet, so we're gonna see it today. Let's wait until US stock market open, UK market open, so we can see, right? But on the bigger terms, we have, this is the lowest low on this range. We have lowest low here on 24th January, 24th January, and we have another low here 24th February, and then it rose back up very quickly and made another high, right? And then go back up and then make another high. So we not see the wick here yet. Usually in previous months before price go back up, we will see long wick here like this, long wick here like this, or this is also count, right? Or this. But here no, we not count this on a wick, and we cannot describe this as a bull's take control or the bear take control. Of course, for the seller, they gain more momentum for this three candle. For this three candle, we mark it as a failed of bull here. Now the buyer, the bullish guy, the bulls needs to do the work to make the charts print, and then we will see if they can fight back or they cannot fight. So but the bulls is not give up yet, because we see the price keep going back up a little bit more from the bottom. Let me see how much. It's 1.1%. It's around 1.1%. Let me do it again. Okay, it's around 1.1% that keep going back up, and then we can see, hope to see if the daily chart closed up here. We can assume this is a week for daily chart. But anyway, if it not, if it keep going back down below this, of course this is not a good sign for bull. But for bear, for you guys who short here, let me go back to our chart. If you guys in the shorts here from my analysis yesterday, so you can keep shorts open, and you might able to write it down here to this support level, can be 37 something, right? And that is 8.8% from yesterday of my analysis on Patreon. So you can extend this market, this target here, and keep it right. Okay, but right now we have to see in a bigger picture, right? Okay, for my strategy from here, I think this is not bad for bulls. If you're not bad, if you are bullish, if you want to get into long, if you want to buy BTC spot, this is not bad. Okay, why? Let me tell you. Let's pull out the volume, trading volume. Okay, this is trading volume. We can see some clue from trading volume. This trading volume is very important for me when I look at analysis. So here at this week, we see the trading volume get lower, and then the seller coming in, and when the price go to some level, the buyer, the bull will buy it back heavily, and that cause the price go back up, and we see long wicks like this. Okay, this is another time when the price go low to some level, and then bull come to buy back, and we see the wick here above. Okay, I will point it out, make it clear for you guys. Okay, what we see here is price, the volume of sellers are less, right? Since this candle, since this down candle, we have two buyer here, and then the sell volume is less, and now it's less and less and less, right? You can assume that the seller now they sell less. So when they sell less mean it might getting close to the level that people going to buy. The bullish people, they gonna coming back to buy. I guess you can set up this zone. Let me make it better. This zone to be you can buy here, right? For my strategy, I will buy here. As the previous video, I talked to you like this. If it going down, so you can short here, but when the price go here around 26, 36, 700, so this is my buy zone, right? This is my buy zone. This is my war zone. Why? Because when you look in the previous chart, anytime when price come to this level between 36.9 and 36.4, a lot of people buy here and pump the price back up. Again, when the price come back to here, a lot of people buy here and pump the price back up. When the price come down here, touch, and it pump the price back up. Right? When the price going closer to this level, it pump price back up. So here, this is my strategy. You can see the green zone here. This is my war zone. This is my level that I am going to do more aggressive buy here. But right now, my strategy will be like this. Okay, let me share with you. You can comment on my video. What is your strategy and what do you think is more likely to happen? Let me go to one day call out. Okay, here now I mark it lower low here, but the price is broke down lower low level, so I am going to delete this because this is false. False lower low. It's not lower low because we have a new low, so I will assume the price, the Bitcoin price, need to show us where is the lower low of these daily swing lows. Okay, this is my first scenario. It might break down here, right, a little bit, and then it might retest back up here around mid-range, and it might go down to my war zone here. Okay, this is my A scenario here. I we make it A scenario here. When I make A scenario, for me means this scenario is more likely to happen than B. All right. And then what is B scenario? Scenario B for me, we have to wait until this daily chart bull buying back until we see the wicks here, and then another day tomorrow we have a positive day here, and then maybe a little bit of pullback, and then it need to show us that it break above this level. All right, is it clear for you? I will call this B scenario to me. And yeah, of course, if it break here, we can assume this is a lower low. Okay, let me clean this. Let me clean this drawing. Let me make it clean for you. Okay, we can assume this is my swing high and swing low level. Now it felt this and it keep making lower low. Okay, I have this here to remind myself, like, okay, if the price it break here and make it fault on lower low, now it's going to make new lower low. Okay, let me drink water a little bit. The lower low can be here around 37, 39, 36, between 37, 36.2, right? So in this case, you can short if you short, but I don't really recommend if you want to short here. It could be some small position if you want to open, but anyway, if you follow me on Patreon, if you short it from, if you are on Patreon, so you should short it from here already last night, right? Yesterday, you short it from here and your risk reward will be around, right? 8 should be around this. This should be your risk reward profile, right? So congratulations for that. And then you can follow it here, follow your strategy down until to this level, and then you take some profit, and then if it not break here, you can write it down here, because we can make another low. We can have lower support here at this level. And congratulations for you guys if you can hold your short down here, right? But anyway, let's be realistic. I will take target here first, right? And then if you want to long, we can have two scenarios for bulls if you want to long. First, I will write the short down here, and then I will open long position around this level. Let me see. Okay, long here, I will do long position here, and then we make a stop loss at lower low here, and my swing high could be here, higher than this level at 51 something, right? So in this case, you will want to see the price retest going down here and bounce this support, and maybe go back up like this, right? So this can be another scenario, but if you want to short here, I really don't recommend, because your position will be, your risk and reward will be only 1 to 2, or maximum only 2.2. That's fine. If you want to make 2.2 here, risk reward ratio not bad at all. But anyway, keep it small, keep it safe. But in case if you lost some money, it's gonna be small for you. All right, this is my first scenario, riding the short and then long here around 37 level. All right, another scenario for me on daily chart. You can wait for B scenario. We will see today when the market open, we will see B today. If B scenario print, if we can see the price wick back up and print another green candle here, you can wait and then maybe open a long above today candle like this. All right, you can make it and then look at your risk reward. You can put your stop loss just below this candle and then you can take the profit here. This is 7.6 risk reward ratio. It look good. You can here write the B trend up there, and maybe you can short it down because this is quite big. Of the resistance. Maybe the price will go up here and might bounce back again. So have to be careful, right? So but anyway, this is two scenario. This is for scenario B. If you want to wait for today market open and tomorrow to get into the position. All right, so anyway, be careful at this level because you can see price is chop up and down on the way here, up down. It's quite difficult for trader if you are not experienced, if you are an inexperienced trader. So yeah, you can see the trend. This is the trend that I'm looking. So it's moving at average. You can see it cross up and down, chop up and down, moving average lines. Yeah, so this is not good. This is a little bit difficult situation for trade. But anyway, if you are experienced trader, so you know what to do, right? So okay, for today we're gonna wait for a situation scenario A here gonna be going down and back up. It's gonna fail if it failed support here. So find a reason to get into short and write it down. All right, and then if the price go back up here and then test the support this level and bounce back up, so you can find a reason to get into long, right? So this is two scenario A and B. Today I will look and waiting for this to happen, but right now I'm not going to do anything until tomorrow, I guess, for tomorrow. But anyway, we can see when the US stock open. So usually on Monday US stock open, it will gonna be volatile, gonna be because people adjust their position, people come back to trade from the holidays, because yesterday last week on Friday it was a holiday in America. So I think this week on Monday gonna be very active trader for them. They're gonna come back from rested, they're gonna rested enough, they're gonna have a lot of new ideas, adjust the portfolios and the scenario about Ukraine war and things. So we have to keep our eye on this. All right, so hope you have some idea for this, for Bitcoin and for my video. And please if you like my content, please subscribe on this YouTube channel, give me a like, or support me on Patreon. I have a link on my description. And see you guys again tomorrow, and we will talk about the price again, if it's going to go in A scenario or B scenario. So have a good luck, guys. So trade carefully, always set stop loss, and be safe. We have to keep Bitcoin. Our job here is to trade to get more Bitcoin. We're not gonna want you to lose Bitcoin. And yeah, be careful, and let me know in the comment if you have some question with me about this analysis. And see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye bye.